Hi, this is Sato. In this time, I will introduce 3 famous beaches in Miyako Island. This video is part 2. Well then, let's begin with砂山Beach. This beach is located in the west of Miyako Island. It takes about 20 minutes from Miyako Airport and about 30 minutes from Shimojishima Airport by car. Sna is a kanji for sand, and Yama is a kanji for a mountain. You have to walk on the mountain of the sand to get to this beach. Getting there is easy because it's downhill, but coming back is a little bit tough because it's uphill. One of the charms about this beach is this hollow rock. People used to go through, but pieces of rocks have dropped recently by weathering, so now we are not allowed to go through. However, this beach is really popular for a photo spot. Large buses carrying a lot of travelers come to this beach. There is a great crowd. This beach is not suited for swimming, but toilets and shower rooms are furnished, so it's convenient. What about coming here to take a best shot? Well, let's move on to the next one, Sunset Beach. It is next to Hilton Hotel and it lies on your left soon after finishing crossing Irabu Bridge from Irabu Island to Miyako Island. It takes like 15 minutes from Miyako Airport and about 20 minutes from Shimojishima Airport by car. This beach is often used for events like concerts of Japanese famous musicians. There are all kinds of people like walking with their dogs and enjoying, fishing, running, and then playing on the beach. Since a new hotel was built next to Hilton Hotel, it is expected that more and more travelers will come. It's so happy if you can stay at a hotel that is close to this beautiful beach. As the origin of the name, Sunset Beach is really famous for sunset. The evening sun sinks into Irabu Island side, so you can take perfect pictures. No matter who takes pictures here, the bridge, the island, and the evening sun make you a professional photographer. I want you to take pictures and keep them in your album. The last one is Painagama Beach. It is the closest beach from a place which flourishes the most in Miyako City. So there are a lot of restaurants, hotels, and convenience stores around this beach. That would be great for travelers, right? There are benches and shades of trees, so you can take a rest in them. But mosquitoes appear around the time when it gets chilly, so you may have to fight with the biting mosquitoes. It takes about just over 10 minutes from Miyako Airport and like 20 minutes from Shimojishima Airport by car. This beach is surrounded by a bay, so the wave is relatively calm, and it's suited for swimming. The beach is safe because the net is put up in order to keep off jellyfishes getting in. I often see not only travelers but also office workers who have a break. This beach is a place where the city's residents can relax and enjoy themselves. Also, this beach is crowded with people enjoying marine activities, especially in the warm seasons. This beach is smaller than any other beaches, so I felt a sense of togetherness here. Our parking lot, shower rooms, and toilets are furnished, so it's easy to use this beach. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. See you next time. Bye.